Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Ark Ultimate Survivor Edition on mobile, no matter where you are in the world. This will let you enjoy the latest version of the game on your mobile device, complete with mods for Ark Ultimate Survivor Edition, giving access to all content unlocked, like extra resources and exclusive dinosaur skins. First, let me show you that the app works. As you can see, I can open it, and it includes all the new content from Ark Ultimate Survivor Edition on cool extra features. This is only possible by downloading it the way I'll show you in this video. Now that I've shown you the app and that it works, I'll explain how you can download onto your iOS or Android device easily and fast. Before we start, if you're on iOS, there are a couple of settings we need to tweak on your phone. Android users don't need to adjust any settings. These changes only apply to iOS devices. First, head into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This is important because leaving it on can disrupt the installation. Don't worry, you can turn it back on after we're done. Next, go to your general settings and find the background app refresh option. Make sure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It should not be turned off, as that could interfere with the installation. Alright, now we're ready to get the game installed. On your iOS or Android device, go to a site called pluginsurf.com. This website offers various tweaked apps and games that you can download for free without needing a jailbreak or anything complicated. Once you're on the site, go to the search bar and type in Ark Ultimate Survivor Edition on the app, then click the Start Installation button on the pop-up that appears. You'll need to wait for it to load. This usually takes less than 30 seconds. There's just one final step before the installation is complete. To fully unlock the app, you'll need to complete 2 tasks from the list that appears. These steps are required for the app to run properly. Just tap on any task, read the instructions, and follow them closely. Once you finish one, go back and complete another. You must do 2 for it to work. Some tasks are easy, like downloading an app and running it for 30 seconds, while others may involve reaching a certain level in a game. Whatever tasks you choose, make sure you follow the instructions and rest assured that everything is safe and verified, as you'll be directed to the App Store or Google Play Store. After completing 2 tasks, you'll see a message confirming that Incredibox Sprunky is now installing. If you encounter an error, it might ask you to redo the process with different tasks. For Android users, the process is exactly the same. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.